Hi my beautiful people, welcome to Millie's channel. So today we installing a plastic shed where we did the floor, the cement floor. We did the slab, so look how nice it came out. So this is the small shed that we installing for the garden shed, and so far we have installed this so far. So now we're installing the sides. So we have Renee here that is installing the sides to be able to put the door. So this says is very good, strong plastic that is supposed to be good for the hurricanes and strong winds. So now he's installing this side of the panel. So once you put the walls and you put the sides, it will be easier to put all the panels. So as you see here, you just gotta make sure you got it in, all the way in. Now he's going with that one. So we got it in gray so it can match the house. And we place it here where we got shade, because we have mango trees, which are they doing really good this year. Look how they're beautiful. So this is the way it's looking so far. So how big is the shade, Renee? It's 6 by 4?
6 by 4.5.
It's 6 by 4.5. So this should be a garden shed. So the hardest part is to put the floor, because he also came up with the floor. But first we put the slab of the cement. We build the cement floor to place the floor for the shed. Look how pretty it looks. You just gotta make sure everything is inside. Now he's placing the other metal on the side.
This is the side for the door,
That's the side
where they put the hinge.
for the door hinge. So you gotta place everything together for at the end putting all the screws. See how nice everything is. So we have another mango tree right in front of it, so it's gonna have a good shade. So now he's gonna put the other metal.
This guy here like this.
It's going in the front. So you just gotta make sure you connect everything and that is even. Here he's connecting the other side. So you just gotta follow
Let me go like
the
this.
directions in the book. It really has a good explanation, and it also has a lot of good pictures. You could see how they go.
Okay,
Sorry about the airplane
okay, we go with this one.
noise.
This should go right here.
And that one is gonna go to the side. So it's like a puzzle. You just gotta put them together.
This should go right there.
See?
Okay.
So
This.
this is the book that it comes with all the instructions.
Okay, that one go there like this. This should go like this, people. Okay. Now we have to get that one there. Boom, boom. Get this screw right there in the back. Right here we can get the screw. Boom, 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 boom. And we put that one there. Okay, that one go like this. Give me put the arch in here.
So these are the eyes. We're gonna go.
The little ventilation.
It has this more ventilation.
Yeah, two.
Comes with two. One goes in the front, one goes in the back. And you just gotta put the small screws, and all the screws comes with numbers.
Small one, small one, small one.
So we separate everything, and we have the screws here. So you just gotta follow the book. And this is the side window. So you just placing the screws. I did that one already.
That one go in the back. That one go like this. Here it is. Okay, that one.
So this is where the window is gonna go. That's the way you go to the side.
I had to go right down the middle. Okay, yeah. That one go there. And that one go there. Perfect.
So you see how easy it is to place it once you place the plastic metal. So it has like a canal inside, the opening, and that's where you put. Now he's putting the screws, the little, very little screws. So he goes, takes two in the corner. And one. two, and two.
Let's see what we're doing these sides.
Sorry about that.
Yes.
Now we need one more in the corner.
That one here. And go over this one here.
So when
Okay, I
it's
have to
done,
get these from
this
here.
is how it's gonna look.
Have
This
to
is
get
the
these
shed.
from-
It's a plastic garden shed, 6x4, 4 feet, and all the instructions are inside of the box. You ordered it what, by an Amazon? Where did you order it?
Eh,
Wayfair? It was Wayfair?
wait for it.
He ordered it on Wayfair, and how much you pay?
400 and something.
It was-
459.
It was 459. They say that this is very steady,
This
And
is good
strong.
quality.
that is supposed to be good quality. So we're gonna try it. We usually gonna use it to put the garden stuff because I have a bigger one where I have all my Halloween decoration storage. So now we're gonna put the other side. This one here.
Yeah, that one going here now.
Now it's gonna place the other one that is going inside
Go over here like this.
of the canopy.
You see?
I don't know how you call that. Wait, how you call that where it goes inside? A split?
Okay, that one goes right there.
It clicks. Once it clicks, it's all the way inside.
Get
We have
these
the
two.
cable there for the internet. We have to lift it up because it's too low. So see how nice it looks. It's a little bit expensive, but here, since we live in Florida, it has to be something strong. So that's the window that it came with.
You're missing all of them,
The little hinges.
and they go right here.
We're looking for the parts. Okay. Ve, no es esto.
And that one goes here. This is going here like this. The window, you're gonna remove the paper. This paper like this, and you put it clear.
It has the plastic glass has the clear. You have to
On inside.
and he has another one inside.
That one going here like this. We need the get the. You have to put it right here. That one goes here like this. And done. We're missing the part go inside to get this one here.
Yeah, hold it. So he's looking for the parts to place the window. So
Okay, se rompo.
This is the window.
Rompo, come
I'm holding it for him right now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And these are all the other parts that we still have to place. But I like the look of the small shed so far. I'm satisfied. But since we're here and he's looking for that part, let me show you my mango tree. Look how beautiful it's doing this year. I'm gonna have a lot of mangoes, and these are the small sweet mangoes. I have 3 plants of it, so look how nice. Look at that. This is all around. Look at the mangoes we having this year. Isn't that great? So I have a lot of mangoes. If you live in Port St. Lucie, make a comment if you want to get some mangoes. I always give them a lot away. So now he's placing a window.
Okay, I'll put this one here. This go inside.
Putting the glass inside.
This should go like this. This should go like this. Okay, blah, blah, blah.
Because that's the wrinkles.
Okay, we go with this one. I go with this.
So I'm holding it for him from outside.
Okay.
Trying to find the way to place it. I'm holding it from him outside. And then we will take a look. Placing some of the screws. So you gotta put the screws from inside. Okay, let's go look inside. So it looks. So this is how it goes inside.
Ya no tiene por el lado allá, unos huequitos para el agua, saca por fuera.
So it has a what?
They have open space in the outside
So you
For the
have
water
a
drain.
little space,
The
space
outside.
outside for the water to drain. So it goes with one small screw there. The other one goes there. Ese pedacito ahí así.
Mira el espacio, deja a little space.
So these parts are metal. So that's how the window looks after it's done. So the window is already installed.
Disculpa con él.
So Renee is taking him longer to put it because he hurt one of his hands. He broke it. So it's very hard for him to work right now. So look, for the information, it's in the booklet.
Let's go right here like this.
So they go step by step.
CD. Okay. Wow. Go here like this. Go right here like this. Right, then get this one here, then get that one there.
So they have these little L's. And they go here. It's placing the L. That's how it goes. And then it goes with another two screws. So you just place one. Because you gotta make sure everything is level first. Now he's placing the other one on the other side.
That one's right here. Right here. Look like they need like a half inch for that. That's right to here like this. Good to hear, but they don't go. Good to hear. Why? I don't know why. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Good.
So he's trying to even it out so he could put the help.
See? Just have to go like this here. That's good.
He's looking for the level.
Okay, now they
See
go
that
like
it's
this in
level.
there. They go here, they go here, they go. No. The way to go to where? What they do? No, they go here like this.
Before you place the screw, you're gonna make sure that everything is level. Now he's gonna put that like place the L
Esto así.
on the other side.
Perfecto, está perfecto. Oh, está perfecto.
That one is perfect.
Sí, that one. little screw going here at the bottom. Right here. 2, 3.
Now you have to put the screws in the bottom.
There you go, you carry these. That's it, we have to get we have that one here, we don't have that screw here. Screw in there, boom, boom, boom. I need to put a screw in. That one. Oh, right here, like these.
Okay, my beautiful people, thank you for watching, and I will do the second part of the video showing how to put the roof and how to put the door. Besitos. If you have any comments, please make sure you make the comments and I will be able to answer to you as soon as I can. Besitos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye bye.